Hey guys, let me just update you guys on this hair. This is Dsoar hair, 28-inch body wave. I have 3 bundles, and that's how thick the bundles come. You know, longer the length, the thicker the bundle. So yeah, it's kind of thin. We have long bundles. So I actually water dyed this hair. Y'all saw the video before this. So yeah, this hair is extremely long, and I'm super excited to install this hair. So let's get straight to the video. Alright, so here's the hair. Y'all know I make all my wigs with the hot glue gun method. And I already put my makeup on the lace because I do not bleach my knots. It's looking crazy right now. The hair is super duper long. Whew. So this is a 28-inch from Dsoar hair. I found out the name is called Dsoar hair. I said Dsoar at first, but Dsoar hair. So what are we about to do? I think I want to do like a side part, but in the middle I want to do side part and a middle part. So I'm about to straighten this hair out, and we're gonna do a middle part. Okay. So just stay tuned for the rest of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 200K. So yeah, I'm gonna play some soft music, and I'm just straighten this hair out, and then I'm gonna come back when I do my makeup, put my clothes on for the finished look. She on that. She said turn up. very long and it's so freaking cute. Everything will list in the description box below. If y'all want to get y'all some of this Dsoar hair, this is a 28-inch body wave. Y'all, this was body wave and I straight this 28-inch body wave hair like deadass. So if y'all want to get y'all some of this hair, click that description box below. Like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 200K with that business. No, let's get straight to it. See y'all next video, KK gang.